If someone hacks your neighbor's refrigerator, can they get your credit card number? Your data is stored on servers with the data of millions of other people. Did you know every app, appliance, and device creates its own cloud of data? Every time one of your devices connects to the internet, it takes information about you. Companies own and sell data to other companies when they're not losing it to hacks and breaches. How many copies of you are out there? Luckily, there's Cynja Space, an app for families. With Cynja Space, you own your family's data. It is never sold. Only connect with people you know. Every website and chat interaction is secure. No spam, no ads, no worries. Safe for kids, secure on any network. It's your Cynja Space. By Cynja Tech. Available in the App Store today, or visit us at www.cynja.com.